Alrighty guys, so I'm showing you guys the lace in the future. This is after I customized everything. Y'all, this wig was giving very much scalpiana. Like, do y'all see that? That is just on my hand. So this is a regular transparent lace compared to their crystal lace. 10 out of 10, girl. We about to slay this wig. Shout out to Jessie's selection. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys me just bleaching this hair. Now, this is not a tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys what I do. Also, I don't know what was going on, girl. My camera was not focusing. It was just out of focus for these next few clips. So this is their 5x5 crystal lace wig, okay? This wig is supposed to be in 24 inches. So with this lace, this is their crystal lace that, like I told you guys, very transparent. I did bleach this, but please do not make the same mistake as me if you are purchasing from this company. Their lace is very delicate, so it didn't need like as long as I left it on. Like, I don't know how to say it the right way, but like I left the bleach on. As you guys can see, I left it on for 20 minutes. And girl, it low-key kind of over bleached a little bit. As you guys can see, the roots were a little brassy, but I did fix that. You know your girl is gonna make it do what it do. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some of my lace tint just to kind of help with the brassiness of this wig. And as you guys can see, like, look at that. Like, it is seamlessly blending into my skin. This lace really was the truth. Alrighty, guys. So now we're going to go ahead and just install this wig. So for this install, I wanted to make it very, very quick. If you guys want to see how I, really install my wigs, go ahead and check out some of my earlier videos. But today we're just doing the free spray method, especially because this is a 5x5 closure. So it's super easy to just throw on, spray it down, and, go about your business. After my hair is tied down, now we're going to go ahead and get into really reviewing this hair and letting you guys know how I feel about it and just giving you guys the honest truth about it. I did go ahead and take water and some conditioner to really, give this hair a chance because as of right now, it's a little poofy and it's not very defined, okay? So first things first, I can see when I was adding the water to the hair, the curls were automatically, coming back to life, which I love that. I really hate a wig that it takes too much product to, make it curly. If I buy a curly wig, I want it to be curly out of the package on my head, and that's it. So the first thing I was noticing as I was running my hands through it, I was seeing a little bit of shedding. So at first I was wondering if this was something that was happening due to me plucking, but I'm not sure. This is what the curls are looking like. Very, very juicy, very, very cute. But like I said, it was some shedding going on with this unit. This is what the hair looks like. And as you guys can see at the top, you can kind of see a little bit of trackage going on, okay? It was looking a little thin. This is 150% density. So we're gonna go ahead and really give this hair a chance. So what I did was I blow dried the hair so it can be a little bit more poofy. And this is what it looks like. These curls are gorgeous. I was in love with it. First of all, the lace was definitely giving. After I blow dried it, as you guys can see, there's no more track showing at the top. So that is very, very important to me. I'm not walking around with no track showing. So this is what the hair is looking like. And what I can say, I really did like this hair. I do approve of it. I think it's very cute, but I have to be very honest because you guys are my girls. Like, I'm gonna have to keep it real with you guys. Was not a fan of the shedding. The shedding was definitely a no-go for me. Also, this is not a hair that you can wear in its wet state, in my opinion. It looks best when it is a little bit more poofy and teased out, because when it's wet, it looks a little thin and just flat. So you definitely, sorry y'all, that was my dog huffing and puffing, but you definitely want to kind of, dry it down and wear it in its poofy state. But the hair is super duper cute. Now this hair is supposed to be 24 inches. I believe because it's curly, it is coming off shorter, but this is definitely giving me 22 maybe even 20-inch vibes when it's curly. So yeah, guys, just keep in mind this is the 24-inch type of curly hair, that it's 24 inches when it's pulled, but it's not 24 inches when it's just in its natural curly state. So this is my full honest review on the Jessie Selection hair. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig for yourself, all the information will be linked down below. I think you guys will look super gorgeous in it. If you made it this far in my video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more reviews and, you know, other things related to beauty like makeup tutorials. Love you guys so much, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.